Welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. I'm Tracy. Thanks for joining me. In this video, you'll learn how to make a beautiful wall art piece using Dollar Tree photo frames and other Dollar Tree supplies. And the good news is this is part 3 of a 5-part series making use of those inexpensive Dollar Tree photo frames in surprisingly new ways. Now, if you missed part 1 and 2, I'll have those linked in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started. For this project, the main supplies consist of a piece of wood measuring 11 inches by 5.5 inches by 1/4 inch thick. You'll need paint. I'm using 3 different colors, and you'll see why in just a moment. I'll be using the Crafter Square metal tags and 3 magnetic photo frames. To start the project, I'm painting my board a solid brown color. Then I'll come in and I'll dry brush with the lighter tan and the lighter aqua color. Once the paint's dried, I come in and I distress the edges with sandpaper. Now we'll take our 3 metal tags, we'll distress the back side a little bit with the sandpaper. That way it helps the hot glue adhere to the metal better, and then we will glue them to our board. Once the 3 metal tags are securely attached to the board, we move on to creating a hanger for our little board, and I'm making mine out of braided raffia. I start by tying a knot in the end of my raffia bunch, and I just begin braiding, as you'll see here. Once it's completely braided to your desired length, you'll tie off the other end, and as you'll see, you'll have 2 matching ends that have like a little tassel effect to them. You'll take those tasseled ends and glue them to the sides of your board as I'm doing here. I love how this braided raffia turned out. I also like the tassel end of the raffia. Now mine was a little bit longer than the sign, and you can keep it that way, that's fine, but I just wanted mine trimmed up even. Moving on to our next to last step in this project, we will attach the magnetic acrylic frames to the metal tags. And the final step in this project is to decorate the photo frames however you choose. I chose to do mine with a little bit of scrapbook paper, and I printed out some little sea life on there, a couple little seashells and a sand dollar, and I think that turned out amazing. I also just tried it out with one of my photos in between the two seashells, and I thought that turned out cute as well. You could also think of this for upcoming Mother's Day and put maybe your children's pictures on each side with maybe your mother's favorite quote in the middle, or you could put make a bigger one and put all the grandchildren or all the children on there. I think it would be a great idea. Well, thanks for watching.